Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Good evening, and today I will present my homework. Is week 2, and now let's start my homework. Let's do from here. Okay, let's wait a minute for load this homework. I will erase this Spotify. I don't know. Wait. Okay, done. Okay, and look, this is a topology, and this is my configuration, and you can look from here. It's 99% because this is 1% again. For what, I don't know, because my goal is have done, you know, my PC is camping each other. Yeah, you can look. 1% more is about access list in core switch 2. I must block HTTP. It's run. It is run, but this is incorrect from here. I don't know what is correct, and I do this the best my version. Okay, so I think my teacher can apologize my homework. Thank you. First, this is about VLAN and trunking. This is very simple. VLAN and trunking. Every switch is VLAN each other to client is mode access and do a spanning tree port fast for skip process forwarding about spanning tree, and then trunk is for a lot of VLAN and can run. Okay, nah, basic configuration for all. This is I change a host name and do in that this what IP for every router and switch. Okay, and I configure enable secret for every router in here. And part 2 is I configure VLAN and trunking, in every VLAN in nice. This is from my view. You can look from my topology. This switch, and this is two switch connected a router. This is two connected router. So that switch connect a router that use a root on stick, and the HCP server is on a router. Because a switch don't have an IP, cannot do a routing. So interface VLAN is in a router. We do a root on stick. And then for what this name LMS multilayer MLS multilayer switch, that is can be a switch and can be a router. So a layer 2 and layer 3 is run bersama. Together. And for MLS, we do I do a configuration of switch interval in switch virtual interface, because he is can do a routing. He don't need a router for membagikan an IP. So switch cannot give an IP, but MLS can do it because he is have a root layer 3, just like that. And a different is for root on stick, you just configure that interface and in from a VLAN. So physical interface and to the VLAN interface. Just for example is this is fast ethernet 0/1. You can add more dot and how much interface, how much VLAN on there. For in this is VLAN 10, so Fast Ethernet 01 dot 10. For switch virtual interface, you can do a virtual, such as a name virtual interface. You can configure interface VLAN on this routing, on this router, on this MLS. Nah, just like that you can do in interface VLAN langsung. And yeah, you add an IP in every router and you can have it can peer to peer each other. After that, you add unrouting AIGRP. You can look in here. AIGRP is in here and OSPF in here. So this is core router 1. Now this is do a redistribute. From here is AIGRP for all kind of this area. On OSPF for a server. I don't know. This is just a practice. And yeah, you can see from here. Okay, enable. You can look. My secret is running Cisco. You can look. Core router 1 is saving all of prefix because he is redistribute from AIGRP and OSPF. So nothing in here routing external because he is redistribute. You can look in here. Nah, he is router AIGRP and redistribute OSPF metric. This is for example, and OSPF redistribute AIGRP. Now this is a view from core router. So let's see from here. You can look. You show IP route. You can look here. What is the name? What's the name? OSPF route. That the name is AX. AX in here is you can look from here. AX is AIGRP external. So this is from external AIGRP. Yeah, that is a OSPF protocol. Lots of right that EX is prefix from external, and you can look from here. Now you can look an OSPF that is not external route, not external, but A2. A2 is you can see from here. A2, where is A2? You can OSPF external route type 2. That is so an OSPF address is what point pin is 8 or O spasi A2 and in AIGRP is AX DEX. Nah, so redistribute, my redistribute is running DNS server. You can look, this is my DNS server. Domain naming, I don't know, domain name system, I forgot it. This like you can change your IP become a name, so every people is cannot understand about. You can click egg.egg.egg.egg in router Google IP Google. You just click google.com. So for example, I can open my Google. This you can look in here. Aduh, ngile. Egg. Nah, this is an IP Google IP. So it's enable Google and different with you enter. Oh, don't in Google, edgy. You can look in here. Ah, like I don't like this. Oh, google.com. This is like okay. Uh, First, the important is domain name server is for translate your IP to be a name, and every people can do it. Nah, and web server is mm, this is just two server, one for naming, one for such as you can look that website. So for example, this is from here you can look. You access web server, web browser, such as from your laptop, access from an internet. You can see it. Google.com. The name is then a server is not google.com. We can see from here agunacourse.com. You can see this is web server is running and the DNS server is running. Because why? I search agunacourse.com. So that is translated from this IP. Okay, we what? Replay again. Nah, this is translated from this IP. What is IP from agunacourse.com? Where is I find it. Okay, I from here, just from here. 102. Okay, nah, wanted 102. Like this is to the DNS server, and let's do. Nah, you see it? Thank you. That is my web server is running, and then access list. Okay, access list on SV2. Switch to where is switch to my switch to in here to block HTTP server. Make sure cannot access HTTP but able to access. Nah, this is cannot access HTTP. This is HTTP. Yes. Okay, that is access with block HTTP. You can see it. We can use a ping, and my client is can connect each other. You can look successful, and from here, for example. Okay, and then let's try to ping our browser. DNS our server. Okay, successful, and let's ping our server 141. Okay, just that for this configuration of this night. This is running all. Thank you. Let's start.